In this video, we will solve a standardized test problem which consists of two parts. In part A, we must solve this trigonometric equation, and in part B, we must determine solutions of this equation belonging to the given interval. Now we go to solution for part A. We have this equation, and now we recollect some trigonometric identities, namely the identity for sine 2 alpha, it is here, and identity for cosine alpha plus pi over 2, it is here. We use these two identities, and we rewrite this equation in the following form. We move sine to the left, factor sine, and now we need to solve this equation. To do this, we take into account that if the product of two multipliers equal to 0, it means that at least one of them equal to 0. We start with sine x equal to 0, and we have first equation for x. We need to recollect trigonometric equations, how to solve them. For sine x equal a, we have for x the following answer, where k is given here. We take into account that arcsine of 0 equals 0, and we have first solution in this form. We go to the next step. Now we consider that second multiplier equals 0, so it gives us this equation. We transform it into steps, and we have equation cosine x equal -1/2. Again, we recollect solution of equation cosine x equal a. It is here. It involves arc cosine a. We know that arc cosine of -1/2 equal 2 pi over 3. And we can write solution for this step. Note that here we have plus minus, so actually we have here two solutions. So solution for part A will involve three answers, namely x1 equal pi times k, for the case sine x equals 0, x2, the solution for when this bracket equals 0 with plus here, and solution with minus here. So these are the answers. K for all of them are equal what is here, and this is a full solution for part A. Solution for part B, we will start with analysis of the root x1 equal pi times k. We need to see the possible k when x1 will be inside of this interval. To do this, we introduce the number x's with the following specific points: 0, -pi, -2 pi, -2.5 pi, and -3 pi. The interval of our interest is here. Now we select some appropriate k and analyze when this root will be inside of this red interval. We take k equal these values, you will see why, and calculations are very simple. Here is the answer in the form of the table, and let's go step by step. For k equal 0, x equals 0, so this root is here. It is outside of the interval of interest, so we cancel this value. K equal -1, answer is -pi. It is inside of this interval, so it remains as a solution. K equal -2, we have -2 pi. It is again inside this interval, we keep it. K equal negative 3, we have negative 3 pi. This point is outside our interval. So two solutions, minus pi and negative 2 pi, are inside of this interval. So we remember them. Now we will analyze the second root, which is here. We follow the same procedure. First we select k, calculate x2 for this k. Then we analyze what we have. For k equals 0, we have 2 pi over 3, so this is a positive value. It is outside our interval. We cancel it. For k equal negative 1, we have minus 4 pi over 3, approximately negative 1.3 pi, somewhere here, is inside interval. K equal negative 2, we have minus 10 pi over 3, so negative 3.3 pi, somewhere here, it's outside. So we have here one more root, namely minus 4 pi over 3, which is inside of given interval. And finally we go to analysis of the third root, negative 2 pi over 3 plus 2 pi k. We select k equals 0 and negative 1. It is enough. Calculate x. For k equals 0, we have negative 2 pi over 3. It is somewhere here, outside interval. For k equal negative 1, we have negative 8 pi over 3, approximately negative 2.7 pi here. And finally, we can formulate the final answer for our problem. Solution for part A is here. Solution for part B contains three values of x, which are here in graphical form. Here is in numbers. And for the time being, the problem is solved completely. If you have questions, or if you have another solution, or you have some concerns, please leave a comment, and I will reply as soon as possible. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and so on. And see you next time.